In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to create an event in Constant Contact. Whether you're organizing a small gathering or a large conference, Constant Contact provides a streamlined way to manage your events effectively. Let's dive right into the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to constantcontact.com. Once you're there, make sure you log into your account if you haven't done so already. If you're new to Constant Contact, you'll need to create an account. But for today, we're assuming you've already got that set up. Navigating to the website is your gateway to tapping into all the powerful tools Constant Contact offers for event creation and management. Once you're logged in, look for the Events section. This is typically found in the main navigation menu. Clicking on Events will take you to the Events dashboard where you can see any events you've previously created and manage them. This is your central hub for all things event related within Constant Contact. Next, click on Create an Event. This is where the fun begins. Constant Contact makes it easy with a clear button prompting you to start your event creation process. By clicking this, you're setting up a new event and the platform will guide you through the necessary steps. Now, it's time to enter your event details. This includes the name of your event, the date and time, the location, and a brief description. Be as detailed as possible as this information is what your attendees will see. The more precise and engaging your event details are, the more likely potential attendees will be interested in joining. Think about what makes your event unique and highlight those aspects here. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Continue. This will save your information and take you to the next step. Remember, you can always go back and edit these details if needed, so don't worry if you miss something on the first go. Now, you have the option to create tickets, add-ons, or promo codes. If your event requires ticketing, Constant Contact allows you to set different ticket types, prices, and quantities. You can also offer add-ons like meal packages or merchandise and create promo codes for discounts. This is a great way to add value and attract more attendees. Take some time to consider what options might enhance your event and encourage participation. However, if your event doesn't require tickets, you can simply click Continue without ticket. This is useful for free events or gatherings that don't need a ticketing system. Constant Contact offers flexibility to accommodate different types of events, so choose the option that best fits your needs. Finally, once you've reviewed everything and are satisfied with your setup, click Activate Event. This makes your event live, allowing people to view and register. Once activated, you can share your event page through email or social media, bringing more visibility to your event. And there you have it. You've successfully created an event in Constant Contact. Remember, you can always come back and adjust details as needed. With these tools at your disposal, managing events is not only easy but also efficient. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope your event is a great success.